A shopper is standing on level ground. So let's draw ground, marked ground, and this is my shopper. Doesn't matter what side is it. A shopper is standing on level ground 800 feet from the base, so 800 feet away from something, from the base or the bottom of a 250 foot tall department store. How tall is the store, class? 200 feet. The shopper, so it's a little bit inaccurate, but probably super accurate is, I don't know why, but the shopper is like lying on the floor and then looking up and sees a flag at the top of the store's roof. So again, if there's the pole, 250 feet, right? So here's a couple of assumptions on the problem. Looks up and sees a flag on the store's roof to the nearest degree. What is the angle of elevation? So what is this angle of elevation? I don't know why. The shopper's bored, lying on the floor. So, oh, look, there's a tall building. And on top of it, oh, look at that pole up there. There's a flag up there. Huh, I wonder what the angle is. So they're kind of looking in this direction here. This is what the angle of elevation is. So let's mark that. Pink. This is called the angle of elevation. How would I describe the angle of elevation to someone who's never heard it before? You don't have an elevator on a one-story house. You have an elevator on a house that has more than one stories, or a mall that has more than multiple floors, right? It's going up. So that's what he's looking at. The question is, what is the angle of elevation? So that's a question. What is? That's my x. So a couple of assumptions we're going to make. Says to the top of the building from the point on the ground where the shopper is standing. In this problem, I'm going to assume that from the flagpole to the whole building is 250 feet. So this whole thing is 250 feet. Okay? Set up this problem, Caesar. Okay, which trig function are you going to use? Cosine. Raise your hand if you use cosine. Okay, Caesar, we're not going to be using cosine. Caesar, what side do you have over here? Correct. Over here? Correct. Which trig function? Tangent of x equals the opposite over the adjacent. Caesar, tell me what's right here. Thank you. What do I do next here, Vanessa? Tell me what's right. Punch into that calculator. Inverse of tangent. Don't make the mistake of writing tangent and then 250 over 800. Vanessa, if we rounded to... Does it tell us where to round? No? Did I not copy that? Alright, nearest degree. 17 degrees. Raise if you got that. Awesome. Label, draw that picture, and you'll be successful.